Quick review for the Tascam DR-05x. Nice beautiful day in Oregon. Thought I'd go for a quick ride. Just want to test the audio. It's about 50 degrees. It looks beautiful, but it's still cold. I got my snowboarding gloves on, my snowboarding jacket. I am all layered up. I feel like I am going snowboarding and I have so many layers on. Plus having the GoPro chest mount, this audio recorder. There's a lot going on. I'm going for this. I love riding, I love making videos. Trying to give you guys a better quality. Not just getting on the bike and going. Got to make sure the GoPro's at the right angle. Got to make sure the audio has the right levels. Plus all the gear I'm wearing. I feel like a freaking snowman. But I'm nice and warm. I feel safe. I'm getting the content. Hopefully this recorder comes out good. The Pacific Northwest is so beautiful. This is northeast Portland, out in the country basically. I'm about a half-hour ride into Portland. It's so fun riding. I love it. Nothing like it. Nothing like it at all. Yeah, buddy. I love riding this damn bike. Thank God I know how to drive. That guy was cool. At least he's seeing me.